Hey there, shop floor superstars and manufacturing mavens. Welcome to the era of smart factories and digital dynamos. Gone are the days of clipboards and guesstimations. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of manufacturing execution systems, or MES for those in the know. Think of it as the ultimate upgrade for your production line, a system that brings your manufacturing dreams into reality. We're talking smoother operations, tighter quality control, and yeah, even a boost to your bottom line. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to break down what an MES is, why you need it, and the great debate to build or to buy. Let's cut to the chase. What exactly an MES? In a nutshell, it's the brains behind your brawn, the software solution that bridges the gap between your big picture plans and what's actually happening on the factory floor. Forget paper trails and frantic phone calls. An MES gives you real-time visibility into every step of your production process. We're talking about tracking work orders, monitoring equipment effectiveness, catching bottlenecks before they become production nightmares, and so much more. It's like having a super-powered assistant who thrives on data and never takes a coffee break. Stay tuned. All right, let's dive deeper into the wonderful world of MES. Picture this. Your factory floor is a bustling city with materials flowing like traffic and machines humming like, well, machines. Now imagine trying to navigate this metropolis without a GPS. Chaos, right? That's where an MES swoops in to save the day. It's the command center that gives you a real-time view of your entire operation, from raw materials to finished products. No more relying on gut feelings or outdated spreadsheets. An MES arms you with the data you need to make smart, data-driven decisions. With an MES, you're not just reacting to problems, you're anticipating them and optimizing your processes for maximum efficiency. It's like having a team of digital detectives working around the clock to give you the inside scoop on your factory's performance. Now, let's talk about the meat and potatoes, the core capabilities that make an MS the superhero of the manufacturing world. While every system is unique, there are 4 key functions that form the foundation of any self-respecting MES1. Work order creation. This is where the magic starts. An MES takes your production orders and breaks them down into manageable chunks of work. 2. Scheduling timing is everything in manufacturing, and an MES is a master conductor, orchestrating your production schedule to optimize efficiency and minimize downtime. 3. Real-time OEE calculation. OEE stands for Overall Equipment Effectiveness. Basically, how much bang you're getting for your buck from your machines. 4. Downtime tracking. Time is money, and every minute your machines are down is money flying out the window. An MES acts like a watchful guardian, keeping tabs on downtime events, identifying the root causes, and helping you minimize those costly interruptions. Beyond the basics, MES power-ups. But wait, there's more. Think of those core functions as the base model. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, the optional extras that can really take your MES to the next level. Want to manage your recipes and formulations like a digital cookbook? MES can do that. Need to implement digital quality inspection plans, track SPC data, or ensure ISO 9001 compliance? MES has got you covered. And for those who like their work instructions paperless and easily accessible, an MES can even handle digital work instructions and bill of materials management. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of manufacturing solutions, all in one powerful package. The MES advantage, why you need this secret weapon. Okay, we've covered the what of MES, but now for the million-dollar question, why should you, a savvy manufacturer, even care? Simply put, in today's cutthroat manufacturing landscape, an MES isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. It's the secret weapon that can help you outmaneuver the competition, boost your bottom line, and sleep better at night, knowing your production line is running like a well-oiled, digitally enhanced machine. You're facing pressure from all sides, demanding customers, shrinking lead times, rising costs, and the ever-present need to maintain impeccable quality. An MES swoops in like a superhero, giving you the tools and insights you need to conquer these challenges head-on. With real-time visibility into your operations, you can identify and eliminate bottlenecks faster than you can say lean manufacturing. And with data at your fingertips, you can make smarter decisions about everything from resource allocation to process improvements. Efficiency is king, streamlining your operations. Nobody likes waste. Not you, not your employees, and certainly not your bottom line. And MES is like a waste-busting ninja, helping you streamline your operations. Remember those bottlenecks? And MES helps you identify and eliminate them. By tracking production data in real time, you can quickly spot slowdowns, make adjustments on the fly, and keep products moving smoothly. Quality control, your ticket to manufacturing zen. In the world of manufacturing, quality is non-negotiable. One tiny defect can snowball into a mountain of problems, leading to costly rework, unhappy customers, and a whole lot of stress. But fear not, because an MES is your secret weapon for achieving quality control nirvana. With an MES, you can kiss paper-based quality checks goodbye and say hello to digital precision. Imagine being able to track every single unit as it moves through your production process, capturing data at each step to ensure that it meets your exacting standards. An MES can even integrate with your inspection equipment, automatically logging data and flagging any deviations from the norm. This means you can catch defects early on, before they have a chance to wreak havoc on your production line. The case for customization. Why build your own MES? All right, folks, let's talk turkey. We've established that an MES is the bee's knees for modern manufacturing. But now comes the big decision. Do you invest in an off-the-shelf solution or roll up your sleeves and build your own? Now, you might be thinking, why reinvent the wheel? And in some cases, you'd be right. But here's the thing about manufacturing. It's as diverse as a bag of chips, with each industry and even each factory having its own unique quirks, processes, and secret sauces. Off-the-shelf MES solutions, while tempting with their plug-and-play promises, often struggle to keep up with these nuances. Building your own MES, on the other hand, gives you the freedom to tailor the system to your exact specifications. Off-the-rack blues, when generic just won't cut it. Off-the-shelf solutions can feel like squeezing into jeans designed for someone else. They pinch in all the wrong places, leaving you restricted and frustrated. You've pored over brochures, sat through demos, and chosen the perfect off-the-shelf MES. But then comes the implementation phase, and reality hits like a ton of bricks. Your existing systems don't jive with the new software, and your processes need serious tweaking. Customization costs skyrocket. That plug-and-play dream turns into a costly nightmare. Building your own MES allows seamless integration, speaks your unique processes, and adapts as your business grows. The integration equation, making your systems play nice. Integration is a major headache, getting systems to talk like old pals. With MES, this can be a deal breaker. Think about ERP, SCADA, quality management, all needing connection. Off-the-shelf MES often doesn't fit, requiring costly customization. Building your own MES ensures seamless integration with existing systems. Choose technologies that create a unified ecosystem for efficient data flow. Reality check before you go full-on Bob the Builder. Okay, hotshot manufacturers, so you're ready to build your own MES from the ground up. Ambitious, we like your style, but hold your horses before you start pouring the digital concrete. Building an MES isn't a walk in the park. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires careful planning, realistic expectations, and a whole lot of caffeine. Firstly, take a good hard look in the mirror and ask yourself some tough questions. What are your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves? What are your long-term goals for this system? And most importantly, can you honestly say that an off-the-shelf solution won't cut it? If you can answer these questions with confidence, then you're on the right track. Educate your crew. No MES island, please. Listen up, folks, because this next point is critical. Building an MES is not a solo mission. It's a team effort that requires buy-in and participation from every corner of your organization. Think of it like this. Your MES will only be as strong as the weakest link in your team. If your employees don't understand the system, don't see the value in it, or worse, actively resist it, then your shiny new MES is destined to become a very expensive paperweight. So, before you even think about writing a single line of code, invest time in educating your entire team about the ins and outs of MES. By involving them in the process from the very beginning, you'll create a sense of ownership and ensure that everyone is on board with the mission. time for a dose of humility. You might be a manufacturing maestro, but you're not a software engineer. Building an MES requires specific skills. It's okay to need outside help. Be honest about your team's capabilities. Partnering with an experienced MES vendor can be efficient and cost-effective. There's no shame in seeking help from experts. Choose partners who understand your industry and company culture. Building an MES is not a one-and-done deal. It's an iterative process that requires flexibility and adaptability. Think of it like jazz improvisation, ready to riff and adjust on the fly. Agile development breaks down your project into sprints. Evaluate progress, gather feedback, and adjust your plan. The manufacturing landscape is constantly evolving. An agile MES helps you adapt quickly and stay ahead. All right, manufacturing mavericks, we've covered the core essentials of MES. Think of these next-level features as the cherry on top of your MES sundae. It's a living, breathing system that can grow and evolve. Explore additional features to unlock greater efficiency and control. Master the basics, then unlock special powers for an edge. Remember the golden rule. Start with a solid foundation. Section 2, the MES evolution from good to great. What are these magical MES power-ups? First up, recipe management for consistency. All formulas stored securely, accessible at a touch. No more scribbled notes, just digital precision. Next, digital quality inspection plans. Say goodbye to paper checklists. Real-time visibility into quality metrics. Section 3, compliance instructions and bills. Oh my! Want to impress your auditors and keep those certifications rolling in? An MES can help you achieve and maintain ISO 9001 compliance. We've got digital work instructions. Imagine giving your operators access to interactive, multimedia work instructions. And let's not forget about bill of materials, BOM management. An MES can integrate with your ERP system to provide real-time visibility into your BOMs. The power of integration. One system to rule them all. Remember, the real magic of an MES lies in its ability to integrate with your other systems, creating a unified ecosystem where data flows freely and insights are readily available. By carefully selecting and implementing these additional features, you can transform your MES from a simple production tracking tool into a comprehensive manufacturing intelligence platform that drives efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement across your entire operation. It's like assembling the ultimate manufacturing superhero team, each member with their own unique powers, working together to achieve a common goal: manufacturing excellence. With a well-designed and implemented MES, you'll have the power to conquer even the most challenging production goals and take your business to the next level. The MES journey. A marathon, not a sprint. Well, folks, there you have it. We've journeyed deep into the heart of the MES beast. But before we break out the champagne, let's reflect on the journey. Building an MES is not a task for the faint of heart. It's a commitment that requires careful planning and patience. Remember those epic movie montages where the heroes are training like mad? Yeah, that's kind of what it's like. But just like those cinematic heroes, you're not alone. Surround yourself with a team of experts who can guide and support you. Reaping the rewards, your MES garden of benefits. Now for the good stuff. The reason we're all here. What's in it for you? The intrepid manufacturer who dares to embrace the power of MES? Imagine a world where your production line hums with the efficiency of a perfectly tuned machine. Bottlenecks are a distant memory, downtime is practically non-existent, and quality issues are about as common as a unicorn sighting. With an MES in place, you'll gain real-time visibility into your entire operation, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that optimize efficiency, reduce waste, and boost your bottom line. You'll be able to track production progress with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring on-time deliveries that'll make your customers do a happy dance. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your manufacturing processes are running like a well-oiled, digitally enhanced dream. To the future and beyond MES as your manufacturing co-pilot. As we stand on the precipice of Industry 4.0, with its promises of smart factories, interconnected systems, and data-driven insights, one thing is clear: MES is not just a passing fad, it's the future of manufacturing. Think of MES as your co-pilot on this exciting journey into the digital frontier. It's the system that will help you navigate the complexities of modern manufacturing, unlock the potential of your workforce, and stay ahead of the competition in an increasingly demanding global marketplace. By embracing MES, you're not just investing in a software solution, you're investing in the future of your business. You're equipping yourself with the tools and insights you need to adapt, innovate, and thrive in the years to come. So, buckle up, manufacturing mavericks, because the future is here and it's powered by MES. If this is the solution you have been looking for, contact us at info@vasmetering.com for more of how we can enable you have a functional manufacturing execution system, or visit our website at www.vasmetering.com to see our other offerings in home automation, AI, and solar power. We look forward to talking to you. Bye for now.